In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can join a Fantasy Premier League with a code. So to start with, you first want to be on the Fantasy League website or app. This will work on both mobile and desktop, so it doesn't actually matter what device you're on. So the first thing you want to make sure you've done is actually have picked a team. If you haven't picked a team, you will not be able to join a league yet. So do that first. And then when you have, you want to head over to Leagues and Cups, which you can find up here. When we click on that, we'll see a button that says Create and Join New Leagues and Cups. You just then want to select that. Then now we have two options. We can either join an existing league and cup, or we can create a new league. But since we want to join with a code, we're going to choose to join an existing league and cup. So go ahead and click this button here. And then you can either join between a public league or an invitational league. So assuming your friend sent you a link to their league or something like that, you just want to choose this option here. And then you want to copy the code that your friend or whoever's gave you. And then you can simply input it in here and select Join League. And from there, you'll be joined into their FPL league. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to join your FPL league with a code. If you did, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.